All right, guys, we're doing break number 3 of 2021 Break Kings Premium Edition Baseball. You've got 3 high-end cards per box and a ton of Bowman Chromes. A ton of guys like Tatis and Acuna and Juan Soto and a ton of prospect stuff as well. So every spot gives you 3 random teams. So, John, you've got 3 spots in this. Roger's got 3 spots. Richard D's got 1. Kyler's got 1. Chris W's got 1, and then I closed this out with the last spot. See if we get some last spot mojo. So let's go ahead and randomize all 30 teams. So we'll randomize this team list 5 times. All right. Every spot gives you 3 random teams. So let's randomize this 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So, Chris, you've got the Giants, the Rays, and the Tigers. If we can pull that Torkelson, man. John, you've got the Padres. You've got the Astros, the Cardinals, the Angels, the Orioles, Reds, Marlins, Blue Jays, and Pirates. Kyler's got the Rockies, Rangers, and Twins. Richard, you've got the Braves, Brewers, and the White Sox. Roger, you've got a ton of big names too. You've got the A's, the Red Sox, the Indians, the Diamondbacks, the Dodgers, Yankees, Mets, Royals, and Nationals. Nice. And then I've got the Cubs, the Phillies, and the Mariners. All right, so here we go. Let's pull something nasty out of here. All right, so all sealed up here. All right, first up, we got a Yankee, Gleyber Torres, 2018 Topps update. This one's going up. It's what, an $80, $90 card right now. So, Roger, there you go, man. You're on the board. On the board again with the Jason Dominguez Bowman Chrome Prospect. PSA 9 on that one. So you got 2 of them. And then how about a Vlad Jr. Topps Chrome Refractor PSA 9? John, that one is you. That would have been better as a 10. As a 10, that's probably a $300 card or something. All right, so a couple Yankees and a Blue Jay out of that one. Not too bad. Wish we could have put all 3 10s. So appreciate you guys filling up the Break Kings break. That'll close out that box and that case. And that's a fun break. So appreciate you guys joining us.